Hello, I'm Yashasvi from Informatica GCS. Today we'll be looking at the enhancement done in data exploration feature in Feb release of Claire GPT. From Feb release, data exploration feature is now available for Oracle, Microsoft Azure SQL Server, and Microsoft SQL Server sources. Let's look at a demo. For the demo, I have chosen Oracle as a source. So let's start with a metadata exploration use case. So here I would be setting a bit of a context for me to be able to do the data exploration. Here we have an overview of retail schema from Oracle source. Now let's try to list the tables under the schema. Okay, we have the list of tables under the retail schema. Let's start the data exploration part. Let's first do the table data preview from customers table. Have the data from customers table. Let's try the data exploration prompt. Let's try to fetch an email ID for customer. Let's say a customer with customer ID 1. ID 1 has an email johndoe@example.com. You can verify that against the data that was fetched. Now let's try one more example. Let's try to fetch the customers who have placed an order. So this would actually join the customer and the orders table and give us the response. Here we have the response. We have information from customer table and from the order table. Now let's try to see the data distribution of payment methods that are used by customers across different states. Here we have the data distribution of the payment. We can view the results in form of a table or in form of a bar chart or in a pie chart and a line chart. So whichever format suits to the use case, that type of graph or a chart can be viewed. Next, let's look at a data profile of order tables so as to see how the data constitutes in orders table. This would give us an idea about what type of data constitutes across the columns in a table. It shows us the value count, the data type, if it has a distinct value, an average, standard deviation, etc. So that's all about the demo. These are the references to the official documentation for the data exploration feature. Kindly provide your feedback so as to it will help us to improve the quality and the content of the videos. Thank you.